vision behind Studio Lane was initially to find a space that we could host a collaborative stuff. So obviously coffee for me and my partner is a huge part of our lives, and having enough space to let everyone else come in and collaborate with us was kind of the goal. My name is Tom Lane. My background is I was a jeweler since a young age, and I always kind of worked in the coffee industry just to fill in the gaps. I guess when you come to Studio Lane, you can expect a beautiful smile from our staff, a nice open inviting space, a nice calm warm environment, beautiful coffee, some simple local treats, and a good time. Studio Lane's probably best known for at the moment our jaffles. We've got a pretty simple selection, but they're just spot on. But we do want to be kind of known for that space you can come and host an event or create something, whether it be a jewelry workshop or just a simple coffee making workshop. We're going to kind of try to provide that to the Central Coast. The alternative performs super well, and me being dairy intolerant myself is awesome. In regards to milk to alternatives, it's a super similar kind of creaminess and texture. These days, the coffee industry is very particular. You know, from the starting grind of coffee where you weigh a certain dose into cup dry, through the machine where the liquid out is all weighed very specifically. And I guess that's how we weigh metal in the jewelry industry as well. So from buying a coffee, you kind of get your end cup, but for the baristas itself, it's a full science project, which is amazing.